Rowere ma pacho ka ojiw mondo mi ochak tiyo gi chenro opogore mantiere kaka mag kaw hola kowuok e aguch omenda mar rawere mong'ere kaka YouthFund mondo mi okonygi e chako ohala manyalo ndiko gi giwegi moloyo keto geno gi ahinya tije mag andika. Magino oyangi kod jagoro mong'ere migawo mochung' ne weche rawere kinde man osidh ayanga nyasi mar jumba dhialo rawere mochakore kawuono kaka chieng' tarik 10 nyaka tarik 12. Jotelogo okone rawere ni sirikal kod kembe giwegi ok nyal ndiko rawere ma milion 1 maduto tieko tiegruok margi e mbalariany higa ka higa. Gino makoro miyo rawere nyaka tem donjore e chenro mag chako tije manyalo ndiko gi giwegi. Wach mano jiwo kod jowetene. Motelo ne National Youth Council, Kenya kod Youth Enterprise Development Fund.
It's a great milestone for our young people to just have a conversation, a gumzo na vijana, to know what are these challenges that they are facing at the ground, what are the success stories, what are the recommendations. So we look forward to just to have a constructive engagement with our young people, and we really love to hear those success stories of what young people are doing.
Why would we have someone having 2 positions and there is someone, a young person, who is technically struggling without a job position, and this person has gone to school, very competent, and can hold those positions.
According to World Bank, between 500,000 to 800,000 young people here in Kenya every year complete universities and colleges and join a job market. There are no such openings within government or private sector, so to speak, to absorb every young people who come out of colleges. What the government does is trying to create environment where these young people get opportunities to employ themselves.
Able to disperse a total of 15.4 billion Kenyan shillings, benefiting a minimum of 2.6 million youth. That's across the country. Most of the young people do not want to access money through the groups, so we have opened through the individual loans. The Youth Fund was created purposely to ensure that the young people are job creators.